YouTube Automation for Creators 50 Plus. Our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. If you're over 50 and trying to build a YouTube channel, let me start with something important. You are not behind. But you may be using the wrong strategy. Most creators in our age group were taught that YouTube success comes from hustle, more uploads, more editing, more time on camera, more chasing trends. And if growth doesn't happen quickly, the assumption is that we've missed the moment. But here's what's really happening. YouTube has changed. The platform no longer rewards raw effort. It rewards systems. And many creators over 50 are trying to compete manually in an environment that now favors leverage. That creates frustration. It creates exhaustion. And worst of all, it creates doubt. Not because you lack ideas, not because you lack discipline, but because you're applying yesterday's method to today's platform. So in this video, we're going to slow this down. We're going to separate hustle from leverage. And I'm going to show you why YouTube automation, used correctly, may actually work better for creators over 50 than it does for younger creators. Not because we work harder, but because we think differently. Let's start there. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to eliminate the blank page forever. Not to replace your voice, not to write for you, but to give your experience a framework. Because being over 50 is not your weakness, it's your edge. And once you learn how to structure that edge properly, everything changes. Let's get into it. No hype, one tool, one clear system, emotion, relief, demonstration, capability. Part 1, the promise. Mark doesn't need more hustle. He needs fewer moving parts. For years, YouTube advice has sounded like this. Upload more, post daily, chase trends, master editing, thumbnails, shorts, live streams, community posts, analytics dashboards. It feels like standing in front of a 747 cockpit when all you wanted to do was take a Sunday drive. And here's the truth no one says clearly. YouTube is no longer about being the loudest or the fastest. It's about building a small, calm system that works even when you don't feel like grinding. The platform rewards clarity. It rewards consistency. And most of all, it rewards leverage. This is where AI changes everything. Not because it replaces you, but because it removes the friction that makes you feel behind. You don't need to be a video editor. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to be a 23-year-old algorithm whisperer. You need a clear idea, a simple structure, a repeatable process. AI handles the heavy lifting. You guide the thinking. That's the pivot. The new model is not work harder than everyone else. The new model is design a system that thinks with you. And here's why that matters to someone like you. At 25, enthusiasm is an advantage. At 55, judgment is. AI generates options. You choose what's wise. AI drafts ideas. You refine them with experience. AI accelerates. You steer. That combination is powerful. Because YouTube does not reward raw energy. It rewards clarity of message. And clarity comes from life experience. You're not late. You're equipped. You were just trying to compete in the wrong game, the hustle game. This is the systems game, and systems favor calm thinkers. Part 2, transition to solution. Now let me show you something simple, not 10 tools, not a complicated workflow, Just one practical example. Because if this works once, you'll understand the concept. And once you understand the concept, you can scale it calmly. Let's take the most intimidating part of YouTube for most people over 50. What do I say on camera? That's the block. Not technology, not editing, not monetization. It's the blank page. The feeling of staring at the screen thinking, I don't even know where to start. So instead of trying to be creative, we use a framework and one AI assistant. Part 3. The solution. Here's the exact system. Step 1. Define the problem clearly. Example. How can someone over 50 start a YouTube channel without feeling overwhelmed? That's it. Not keywords, not SEO research, just a real question a real person is asking. Step 2. Ask an AI script assistant to outline the answer in 3 parts. The problem, the promise, the first practical step. Now here's the important part. You don't copy and paste what it gives you. You evaluate it. You refine it. You remove anything that feels artificial. You adjust the tone to sound like you. What you're doing is not outsourcing thinking. You're accelerating structure. Instead of staring at a blank screen for 45 minutes, you now have a draft structure in 45 seconds. That's friction removed. Now step 3. You personalize it. Add one short story. Add one lived example. Add one opinion that only you can give. That's the part AI cannot fake. Experience. So what used to take 2 hours of hesitation, 1 hour of rewriting, and another 30 minutes of doubt, now becomes 10 minutes refining, 5 minutes recording. That is the system. Idea, AI structure, human refinement, record. Simple, repeatable, calm. And here's the psychological shift that matters most. You are no longer trying to be impressive. You are trying to be useful. You're not competing with 20-year-olds dancing in front of jump cuts. You're guiding someone who feels exactly like you felt 3 years ago. And because you know that feeling, your content lands differently. That's the advantage. Let's make it even more concrete. Imagine you commit to 1 video per week. Just 1. Using this structure. 52 videos in a year. Not daily uploads. Not burnout. One calm system. Each video becomes easier than the last because the structure stays the same. You are no longer reinventing the wheel every Sunday. You are following a template. AI helps you build the first draft. You refine. You record. Over time, confidence replaces hesitation. Not because you became more technical, but because you built a rhythm. And rhythm removes fear. Now here's the deeper layer. When you use AI this way, you stop feeling like you're learning technology and start feeling like you're directing it. That psychological shift is huge. Instead of, I hope I can keep up, it becomes, I decide how this tool works for me. That's power. And YouTube monetization? That's simply a byproduct of consistency and clarity. Ad revenue, affiliate links, simple digital guides, all built on the same foundation. Helpful content delivered calmly. You don't scale chaos, you scale systems. And systems are not built in a weekend. They're built through small, repeatable actions. One idea, one outline, one recording, every week. That's it. No overwhelm, no rush, no comparison, just steady progress. And when someone like Mark sees that this is manageable, not glamorous, not flashy, but manageable, that's when he moves. Because capability beats hype, every time.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
So let's bring this home. If you're over 50 and thinking about YouTube, here's the truth. Your age is not the obstacle, it's the asset. You don't need to dance. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to master complicated tech. What you need is clarity, structure, and a simple system you can repeat. Because YouTube doesn't reward random effort anymore. It rewards strategy. It rewards consistency. And it rewards people who can turn lived experience into real value. That's you. And here's what most people don't realize. There are tools available right now that can help you organize your ideas, structure your videos, build stronger intros and outros, and remove that blank page paralysis completely. Tools that act like a thinking partner. Tools that simplify instead of complicate. You don't need to be technical, you just need to be willing. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through the very first tool I recommend, the one that can help you go from scattered thoughts to a clear, structured video in minutes. And if you're serious about this, not just curious but serious, then subscribe now. Not because it helps me, but because it creates a commitment for you. 6 months from now, there will be two kinds of people watching YouTube: those who kept consuming and those who started building. If this message resonates with you, if you know you have experience, wisdom, stories, and skills that shouldn't stay hidden, then don't drift away and maybe come back later. Subscribe, stay with the series, build this properly, because over 50 isn't behind, it's positioned. And in the next video, we start turning that position into momentum. I'll see you there.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.